Today we will be learning about how daily information gathering occur in our day-to-day life. So this is our so we have a limited attention span. So every moment of our attention we go to some kind of source. There are multiple sources available in the nature like that grabs our attention through various techniques. So we have limited attention. So we basically, when this source attract us, we move to it and take our bucket of attention and gather something from this and fill it into our daily attention limit. So we keep doing this. If our attention switch to another source, then instead of going here we will go here and again same take this bucket and fill it in to this our daily bucket. So difficulty here is that when we keep switching our attention from one source to other, we need to do this extra work to move from here to here. Additionally, if we have lot of sources, then this limit will get filled very faster. So we need to decide to what we are to give our attention is very precious source and it have very little capacity. So when we are doing one thing, we can fill up it only to a certain extent, and then we need to store it into our daily capacity. Otherwise, if we just move to this source and do not store it into the daily capacity, we need to empty it in between to fill the next. So all this will be a mess, and we need to drop attention and the collected information here in between not properly stored into the our daily capacity of bucket.